Okay, welcome everyone. We're just using the pink and white mica powder here, and I'm just going to add enough until I like the color. And I'm just showing you the bottles of the pink and the white. So I'm going to mix that up real good. And I did speed this up so you don't have to watch it. And then I felt like I needed a little more white, so we're going to add that. And mixing it again. And then we're just going to pour it in the coasters. Try to make it even, about halfway full. You want to try and get all of it out as you can. Okay, so the coasters are cured. We're going to add polyacrylic and this glitter, Heart Company glitter, along with a regular fine, like rose gold color. Okay, so that's the color there. And then I'm going to mix that up real well. And we're going to take that mixture and we're going to add it to the outside rim of the coasters. And sorry, my video was a little glitchy. So I'm just going to take it on all of the coasters and put it on the outside rim, as you see here. And you don't want to make it too thick. So then I'm going to take a paintbrush and brush them all to the center to make pretty. So I just speeded it up again so you don't have to watch everything. Okay, so that's just about done. And then we are adding a top coat here to each of the coasters. And I'm just making sure it gets in all the nooks and crannies. And here they are all cured and ready to demold. So we're going to go ahead and demold them. I think they turned out really good. So you can see the glitter that we added on there and then the top coat on that. I don't know why my audio is being glitchy. There's a little piece there, so I'm going to cut that off. I really think these turned out good. I did go over on some of the molds on the top coat, so I'll just cut them off and sand them and they'll be good to go. But I really like how each of these turned out. So pretty. I love that little bit of chunky glitter I added on there. So you can really see that glitter and how I pulled it into the center, but not all the way. Now if you wanted to, you could definitely pull it into the whole center, but I really like how they turned out. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.